Okay, we're here in the railway steam train, isn't it? Steam train?
Steam railway. Can we park there? We're gonna park closer.
I don't know. We're gonna park. Try kami ng steam railway. You can find somewhere shady in the tree.
I'm not gonna guarantee it.
Shady,
look like
shady. That's next there.
No.
Oh, there is already.
You're gonna be out.
Oh, another one. There, shady.
You reckon we can get in that little?
Punta na kami sa trains, guys. Trains. Papunta na kami, man. Sasakay na mga matatanda. Mga old. Ayan guys, oh, ang railway. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ganyan, ang railway steam. Ganyan. Ganyan, you're here. Diyan daw kami, oh. Yan, dito ang train. Sasakay kami yan. Rubber. Pero pala dito. Yan guys, oh. Ito yung sasakyan naming train. Mag-i-steam daw yan. Ayan, dami naghintay dyan. Yan, sasakay kami yan. Ayun, may table pa sa loob, oh. Ayan, may coffee. First time ko sumakay dito, guys. Ayan. Souvenir. Ganyan guys, oh. Sasakay kami niyan, oh. Mga souvenir guys, oh. Sasakay tayo ng train. Okay. And then go din.
Right.
Yeah. Ito yung train guys, oh. Steam train. Okay. Sasakay kami dito guys. Ito yung mga steam.
Well, when the train's running, yeah, there's volunteers, yeah. We're all volunteers. So at the moment they're doing
Paalis na kami. Steam na. Alis na ang train guys. Nag-steam na, oh. Ayan, nag-steam.
signal box.
Yeah, people taking pictures, yeah.
So, yeah, they're the big believers in it.
They're taking picture. Nag-steam to guys eh, itong train na to. Kinakain.